now we're going to walk through designing your book cover in Canva. We'll start off using a pre-made template that they have within Canva. This first section will be for you if you've not used Canva before, then this will be really simple and easy to start. Canva is fairly intuitive, but I'll go through it slowly. So you'll need to go up and sign up for a Canva account. A free Canva account is all that you need. You don't need a Canva Pro version. You can get a free trial for 30 days at the moment for the Canva Pro version. So it's up to you whether you sign up for that for free or not. But if you actually already have Canva and you don't have the paid version, that's fine too. What would you like to create? Here you can see you could do a book cover, bookmark, you can even do a typography book cover down here, business book cover, lots of different types, photo book cover. We're just going to go for straight up book cover. Now, as you can see, you have a set size here. Now, if you've got Canva Pro, you can resize it at any point. But here's a tour of what you can do. There's a whole heap of templates within different genres that you can use, which is great and easy. So let's choose a template. Let's say we're going to do an inspirational book cover. Let's go for my prayer journal. because it's away from her head. And then move the text to this little line, that there. Now, as you can see, we've got two alignments going on here. We've got a left align and then the name in the middle, centered underneath. Now, I don't like this particular typeface. I think it is too skinny, so let's change that to something a bit different. What do we think? It's a bit dated. Let's go for something bright. No, that's a bit dated too. Let's go for don't love it. How about this one, Horizon? Obviously you need to take the size down of that. It's quite shouty. Maybe we want something more scripty. Maybe we want something. Now, up here, what you can also do is click in for a type of font so you can have handwriting. Let's do some handwriting. I think that's nice because mums will be handwriting. Let's take that back up again. They'll be writing in this journal. Oops. So yeah, no, we don't want this colour because it doesn't stand out against the image. Let's do that in white. You can see it stands out much better. Let's take this down a bit still again. Move that here, move that up there. Let's tighten that leading. Now, this is great because it's a good contrast between that font and this font, and it's two typefaces, but it's the wrong colour, so let's make that white too. Lovely. Go over here and we can add some more text here on this side. Now you can see all these different ones. Now if we put something like that on top there, you can just see that is going to look ridiculous. So let's get rid of that. What we really want, we don't really want to use those, but we want something here. So a subheading is a good place just to start. Just gives you a text box in basic font. You can type in your text and then add your treatments. What matters most? Now, what we use, do we want to use the same font as the title, or do we want to use this one? What's that? Montserrat Light. So let's use the Montserrat Light, I think. So when you've used fonts in your, again, like the colours that you've used, it will put the fonts that you've used in your document up here. So we want this one. Obviously it needs to be a lot smaller. We want the reader to see the title first, then the subtitle. So let's take that down. I think down a bit more. I want it to align. I think I'm thinking I'm going to change the alignment of this one so that they're all the same. At the moment, that's what I want. I want it centralized. I think that's better. Oh, let's change that color to white. You could change it to blue even, maybe. Let's put that up a bit. You can use your keyboard, or you can click on this little thing here and that will help you move it around too. If, for example, you needed to turn it around, this one, you could put it on a slant. Now that fits in the circle quite well, but I think that needs to go up a little bit in size. I still want the for mums on one line. Okay. There you have it.